In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use plugins in Figma. If you've ever wanted to speed up your design workflow, automate repetitive tasks, or add extra capabilities without leaving your file, plugins are the way to go. Let's walk through exactly how to find and run them in a clean, simple way that fits right into your everyday design process. Start by opening your design. Make sure you are on the canvas where you want the plugin to do its work, since most plugins act on the current page or whatever you have selected. With your file open, press Ctrl+K. This opens Figma's Quick Actions bar, a powerful launcher that helps you get to commands and tools without digging through menus. At the top of that panel, switch to the Plugins tab. This view highlights your recently used and saved plugins, making it easy to get back to the tools you rely on most. From here, use the search bar to find exactly what you need. Start typing the name of a plugin, even just a few letters, and you'll see results filter in real time. If you are not sure of the exact name, try a descriptive keyword to narrow it down. When you see the one you want, click Run. That immediately activates the plugin inside your file. Depending on the plugin, a small window may appear. A panel might slide in, or it may process instantly in the background. Many plugins react to what you have selected. So if nothing happens, check your selection and try running it again. Others may prompt you to choose options before they apply changes. So take a moment to review any on-screen settings. Here is also a quick alternative that's great when your hand is already on the mouse. Right. Click anywhere on the canvas, hover over plugins, and pick a plugin from the list that appears. This is especially handy for tools you use frequently, because your recently used and saved plugins are easy to spot right there in the context menu. The result is the same as using the Quick Actions bar. Figma opens the plugin and lets you proceed with whatever task it's designed to handle. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.